Assalamualaikum everyone, you are watching Software Buddy. I hope that you all will be fine. So today we are going to have some basic introduction about the R programming language. I have made a tutorial on how to install the R and R Studio in your system. I will also provide the link in the description box. So now here these are the few topics that we are going to discuss. What is R programming language? Types of its, variables in R, scalars, vectors, R operators, R matrices, factors in R, and categorical and continuous variables. The today's video emphasis will be on the R introduction and its data types. The rest of the topics will be discussed in the upcoming videos. What is R programming language? The R is the programming language which is mostly known for its statistical and graphical methods. The R is the open source implementation of the S programming language. The S programming language was created in 1976 for the purpose of statistical analysis. Then the R was developed by Ross Ihaka and Robert Gentleman in 1993 as a result of the project they were working on in 1991, and they officially released it in 1995. But the first version, called the stable beta version 1.0, was released on 29th February 2000. It contains the machine learning algorithms, linear regression, and many more. So let's move on with its data types. The main data types of its are scalars, vectors, matrices, data frames, and lists. We are going to discuss everyone in detail. So scalar and vectors can be further of three types: numerical, logical, and character data type. The numeric data type is numbers, as the name suggests. It is subdivided into two types. First, decimal, which means a floating point, for example 8.1. Second, integer. Integer represents the whole number, for example 8. Boolean. Boolean has two possible outcomes, either true or false. That is why it is called as logical data type. Character. Character can be a single character or alphabet or anything under the double quotation or single quotation. If you are familiar with some C++ concepts, you also know that strings also falls in this category.